the Cricut Spring Cleaning Bundle number 4. I got it because it showed Disney on it, so I was so excited to see Disney on it. Okay. First off, the holographics sparkle vinyl in red. And we are at 12 by 48. Gorgeous color. Can't really see it that well, but it's gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. The next one we have is premium vinyl. We have the bright sampler. So bright colors, 6 of the 12 by 12. Red and all the other colors, which must be bundled inside somehow or another. Next we have another premium vinyl in black. Only one 12 by 48. Then we have another premium vinyl. One in tomato red, 12 by 48. Next we have premium vinyl. And we have a turquoise color, 1 by 48. Yep. Next we have premium vinyl. We have the basic sampler of 6 by 12 by 12. Next we have premium vinyl and vinyl. And we have glitter pen gels and Avengers and Cricut.
Sorry
and
guys.
The vintage. And that's all.